Hello folks at Harvard, my name is Martin Romero and this is my presentation for Project 1. Well, you can see here the index page, the registration here. Let's put anything here for instance, and I'll put just for showing you, if I try to submit, because the user is already taken, is catching the error, and it's the same for each one of the fields. Now entering with a already registered user, you can see the book search here. If I click with a blank field, it has this error, and also I can search by ISBN partially or totally, of course, as you can see here. Going back, by the way, this is a navbar I created and it's only shown if a validated user is logged in. Okay, I'll show you the logout later. And then let's try Stephen King, for instance, and there you have many of the Stephen King books. Clicking on one of them, it will give you the information for the book from my database. It's taking the information from GoodReads as requested, and also this book hasn't been reviewed in my website yet, so I'll show you how to do it. Great book, the score with a number 5, and I'll copy this just to search by the ISBN later, and I'll show you once the review has been registered. As you can see here, I could go back to the book search and put the ISBN, or also I have this, which is going by the URL with the specific ISBN, and I can go to the specific book as well. And it's gonna show that now I do have one review in my website with the scoring and the amount of scores one by one below here, and this is my particular score. Okay, by this I'm avoiding to have a double review for the same book. Now I'm going to log out, and I'll show you that once the user is logged out, if I, for instance, I want to go back to that specific page, I cannot go. Okay, so that's how I check that nobody can enter the site. The API functionality as requested, you can check from here. Even though you're logged in or logged out, you can see from here that it's working. Here running a very quick walk through the code. Okay, number one is README. The README file, you have everything explained. Okay, also some usernames and passwords, just if you want to enter straight to the website. Also the database information, the reading steps and reading and writing steps for import.py. Application.py has been thoroughly commented, as you can see here. Okay, in each one, not each one of the lines, but in each one of the main sentences I commented, because I think it's a good way to present to you how I thought about the project. Okay, and then every single HTML page, how it's being working with Jinja and with Flask. So here is layout, and layout is it has here the navbar, as I show you, that based on a couple of variables definition, I'm showing or not that navbar, and the rest, for instance, here in book result, I think it's very interesting what I did in book result, because depending on the variable names that I was giving to that page is showing or not different renderizations of that page. Okay, you can check here, taking advantage of Jinja very well. That will be all from my side. Appreciate your time on reviewing my submission. Thank you.